Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hazaribagh location. It is from Jharkhand. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for manager digital product finance growth. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates should be MBA with 3 to 4 years of experience or graduate with minimum 5 years of experience, and prior exposure to sales role is highly desirable, and the candidates should have good communicational and interpersonal skills and good relationship management skills, proficient in MS Office, and ability to coordinate with various departments within the organization. These are some required qualifications and experience. Like interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for business development manager in hands-on web. Coming to the job description, like always willing to work in marketing field and love to discuss about new strategies for the betterment of company. These are some job description given here. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for PHP developer in USOM IT Solutions. Coming to the job requirements, like well known of PHP, and the candidates should be well known about working on any open source platform developed on PHP, and good understanding of flow and data diagram. And coming to the key responsibility areas, like working on assigned work on Jira, and reporting of the work to the team lead, and work completion on given deadlines. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for sales executive in HSH Financial Service Private Limited. Coming to the job description, like the candidates should be self-motivated and driven by targets, having knowledge of financial services, strong communicational skills including both verbal and written, and the ability to influence and negotiate with others, and having convincing skills, and 1 to 5 years of experience in sales is required. And coming to the qualifications, like any graduates or PG graduates can apply for this job role, and salary will be 10k to 25k, and it will be negotiable, and interested type is financial services. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for a sales representative in forexblues.com. Coming to the job type, it will be a full-time and commission, and the salary will be 10,000 to 20,000 per month, and it is a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, and they will give you a performance bonus and quarterly bonus. And coming to the experience required, like in cold calling, 2 years of experience is required. And coming to the qualifications, like graduates and able to speak in English fluently, and there are 3 to 5 vacancies are available for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for delivery assistant in Expressbees Logistics. Coming to the documents required, like Aadhaar, PAN card, bank account, and one photo. And coming to the job type, it will be a full-time on contract, and salary will be 9,000 to 9,400 per month. And coming to the benefits, like they will provide health insurance and a provident fund, and it is a morning shift job role, and they will pay you a performance bonus. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year of experience is required, and driving 2 years of experience is required. And coming to the languages known, like Hindi is preferred, and motorcycle license will be there for the candidates. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.